Episode 1 of the ricotta series. I have 2 kilos of ricotta cheese in my fridge right now. I need something to do with it. I already opened it up. So for today, we will be doing a ricotta lemon cake. Nice and simple, super simple recipe. First things first, we preheat the oven, but before we do that, we look inside to make sure there's nothing. Preheat to 350. Afterwards, we will start with the ingredients. Let me just quickly glaze over them over here. We have eggs, sugar, the ricotta cheese, salt, baking powder, and flour. In our dry mix, we have oil, lemon zest, which I substituted for lemon extract because I didn't have lemon zest. We have lemon juice, and we have vanilla, and we also have some baking spray. So first things first, we will mix the eggs and the sugar, and we will simply just whisk this together like this using a whisk until it's sort of smooth or combined. We just spin it nice and easy. The egg and sugar is combined, looks something like this. Next, we're gonna put in the vanilla that's mixed with the lemon extract, that's mixed with the lemon juice. Remember, you're supposed to use lemon zest. I unfortunately did not have lemon zest, so I'm using lemon juice and lemon extract. All the ingredients will be in the description below. The quantities will be there. And we'll also put the cheese in here. Make sure we get all that because at the price I paid this cheese, we absolutely need to make sure we get it all in. And the oil as well. So we'll make sure we get in all the oil. I'm using the most prime of seed oils, which is the cheapest one on the shelf. That's how you know it's good. We will now mix this together with a whisk. And I am having quite a bit of difficulty here, but that has never stopped us before. Here at T-Shirt Cooking, we just do. We don't ask, we do. Wow, I nearly just broke a sweat. Anyway, looks something like this. We will now add in the dry mix, which once more, baking powder, flour, and salt. That's simple. We'll add it in. We will continue to spin. How does this keep happening? How does it just, every single time this happens? Now I'm full of flour. There's flour all over the floor. How does this happen all the time? My socks. I just cleaned the kitchen. All right. Now I'm annoyed. The simplest cake recipe, first I get flour all over me, and now the 2 for $1 Betty Crocker whisk breaks on me. I'm telling you, we just can't do anything here. It's just, everything has to be difficult. By the way, cut this whole part. This is not good. All right. See, I knew we had to use the machines. I'm like, for this recipe, I've done it before, by the way. I've made this recipe before and never had to use the machines. Now suddenly everything's just breaking on me. Where's the garbage? I'm putting this straight in the garbage. I understood. Now for the pouring, I'm going to try something new. So we have the 9-inch round here. Usually I just put parchment paper at the bottom, but I saw something online and I want to try it, and it's probably not going to be good. But what I'm going to do is use this Pam spray here. And we sprayed the bottom. And then what I'm going to do is take parchment paper that I cut up like this, and apparently you could just make it sort of a round, and then you pour it in, and it's supposed to make it not stick to the edge. I don't know how this is going to work, but we'll see. All right, what I did was after pouring it in, which was a lot more difficult than I had anticipated. This is another Betty Crocker tool, by the way, that's been broken. You see it's missing like 2.5 inches off the top. Anyway, whatever. That's what I get for going to the dollar store. We don't make any money here at T-Shirt Cooking. I mean, as you probably noticed, we don't, it is what it is, man. Like, we need to hit 1,000 subs, 4,000 watch hours. I don't think that's happening anytime soon. But anyway, back to the recipe. So we flattened it out as best as we could. Now, this oven is only at 288. I don't know what's taking so long here. Once this oven gets to 350, we're gonna put it in the oven. I'd say because it's a 9-inch, so it's a bit lower, I say 40 minutes is fine. We look for maybe the goldenish hue on the top, then we could take it out, because remember, there's the post-cooking phase. This is very important, by the way. Don't cut any of this. Keep all this in the clip. Don't edit any of that out. Just keep it in here, because if I do it in an 8-inch round, it'll be taller. So then we'll cook it for, or sorry, bake it for an extra 5 minutes. So I think 40 minutes is fine for a 9-inch because it's only about this tall right now. Might grow a little bit, but in an 8-inch, it'll grow taller. So for the inside to bake properly, you'll probably need an extra 5 or so minutes. We'll come back once this is baked and out and rested. Then we'll continue speaking about the cake. We'll clean everything up here and this is way too long of a clip. We are back, took the cake out. It's about maybe even 20 or so minutes. Pan's still a little bit hot, but this is basically what it looks like. Let's try to do this here and tilt it over. So this is what it looks like. It's a little bit solid on the top, but this is correct. So if you look very carefully, once again, see that amount of goldenness on it, like that little bit of a golden hue around, that should be enough. Now, when it's ready, we're not even gonna do a taste test for this cake, but what you could do is for this cake, you could even just put powdered sugar on top. You could put like a lemon glaze on top, you know, just mix like maybe milk or almond milk or whatever you use. Almond milk isn't really milk, it's almond beverage. But anyway, you could take that with some powdered sugar and maybe flavor it, and you could drizzle it on top, do what you want. But this is the recipe. Now we could just unbuckle here. We take this out, we'll unwrap the paper, and bam, that is the ricotta cake, guys. That's all it took, all right? So this is it, there you go. Enjoy. See you guys on the next episode. We'll be using all that 2 kilos of ricotta for other things. So let's just cut the video this long enough. Sub, like, comment, share with your friends, do all that. Anyways, you know what it's about.